We're all trying to do something different, to change how the status quo is.
When developing our idea, we were very focused on the stats and how big of a problem it was numerically in percentages, but that's not how you get the idea across to people.
This week is the kickoff workshop of the program. IDEA² Global program will last 7 months. And in this week, we welcome the teams to MIT for 2.5 days to listen to their case presentations, to work on a storyline and their elevator pitch, and also to get to know where they are and how we can help them advance their projects.
My name is Acien, founder at Bloomer Tech.
And I'm Alicia Chong, also founder at Bloomer Health Tech.
I'm Alfredo Franco. I'm a scientist from the University of Cantabria in Spain.
My name is Acien.
This year we are very excited because we have teams that come from 4 different continents. We have teams from Tunisia, we have teams from Costa Rica, we have teams from Spain, we have teams from Ireland, and of course we have teams from the United States. And they come to address unmet clinical needs from a wide range of areas.
My name is Maribel Acien, and I'm the IP of Paciena Prosthesis for neovaginae.
So at Bloomer Health Tech, we develop medical-grade sensors into everyday clothing, specifically to help manage heart disease in women.
We have developed a device which detects intermittent heart arrhythmia symptoms more reliably than current means.
We are working on a new strategy to fight against HIV infections, against AIDS.
Our project is development of a new device to detect circulating tumor cells or predict the metastasis in patients with cancer.
Each team and each project needs to address some challenges. Some are in the technical aspect of the project, some are in the commercial, the way to commercialization, some are in the intellectual property. So we are going to match those teams to mentors. Mentors, broadly spoken, in the business area, in academic area, in the hospitals, so they can improve and we will help them improve in all of those areas.
They're saying things that no one tell us before, and I think that's really helpful in order to be able to develop our project properly, right?
So we have already had some nice input of how we can evolve our project to make it more appealing to the pharma industry, and we had already got some new inputs of what would be the best way to go on from now.
In order to get our technology into the hands that need it most, we are surrounded by people who have been in the business, who have taken stories through successes and failures, so getting years and years of experience in matters of hours.